Let us see how we will take our observation. Here the observation table is there, in which serial number, samples, what are the samples you have tested, simply then after observation, the color on the pH paper or the universal indicator, what type of color you will observe, inference after the observation, what you have conclude, that should be mentioned in your inference column, okay, in front of particular sample. So dilute HCl, first one such as dilute HCl, this will shows reddish color observation. It will show sometimes in case of diluted solution less mild reddish color of appear. If there is a strong acidic character, then dark red color appearance may be there. Okay, so dilute HCl will shows reddish appearance on the pH paper and the universal indicator. This will shows the pH range between 1 to 2, 1 to 2 pH. Okay, similarly dilute NaOH, it will show dark violet colorations, dark, because of sodium hydroxide is highly basic, it will show dark violet coloration, dark violet coloration. This will shows 13 to 14, in between 13 to 14 pH range. Similarly acetic acid or ethanoic acid, as you know that ethanoic acid is a weak acid, this will shows very light reddish color, light red, and the pH range is 4 to 5. Okay, water, as you know that water shows neutral in range, it is neutral, it is neither acidic nor basic, so neutral color will show green coloration, green coloration, and the pH range is 7. Lemon juice, all of you have many times tasted lemon juice. What is the taste? The taste is sour. The lemon juice taste is sour in taste, that's why it is acidic in nature. All the acids are sour in taste. This is basic characters of acid, and lemon juice having also a type of acid known as citric acid, or this citric acid, due to presence of this citric acid, its character is acidic, and this will also shows orange color, orange color, this orange color due, and the pH, it will show 5.5 to 6.5. okay, very light, very mild acidic character. Okay, whereas, and the last one, sodium bicarbonate, this sodium bicarbonate shows, as it is weak base, that's why it will show greenish blue, greenish blue. This greenish blue colorations indicate the pH range in between 8 to 9. So all these samples you will test in the same way, very simple procedure, and take your observation and write your observation in the similar way. After writing your observation, you will write result. You will write result of the experiment, what result you have observed. what you will conclude finally. In the result, for each and every sample, the pH value of dilute HCl solution is so and so. All these value you will write in a single statement. The pH value of dilute NaOH solution is 13, in between 13 to 14. Similarly, the pH value of acetic acid solution is so and so. So in this way you will write all this result in the single line, and finally write precautions. Precaution. Under this head, you will write that some precautions which we will adopt during the procedure. As you know that acids and all the chemicals are hazardous in nature, so the test tube and the glasswares are also very sophisticated. We will handle it with great care. So you may mention your own idea what precautions should be taken during the procedure, such as I will tell you some important, that never touch pH paper strip with your wet hand, as it is very sensitive due to wet hand. What are the character of your what is the uh, maybe your hand is not clean, and you have touched some other samples due to which it will disturb your reading. Okay, now the never touch and taste the chemicals in laboratory, it is very harmful. Prepare solution of samples in distilled water. You don't use your tap water for the testing, and test tube should be neat and dry before use. It should be clean, otherwise maybe you may get false reading, wrong reading. Use separate dropper for each sample. This is very important. For every sample you will use separate dropper, or you may wash it properly for every in between every testing, 3 to 5 3 to 5 times with plentiful of water. You should wash it with by removing bulb of the dropper. If you are using single dropper for every test, you should wash it properly, then use it. So student, you have seen how to test the pH of different sample in our lab. It is very simple procedure, and the theory belongs to this experiment. It is very interesting. Similarly, you can check various samples and various samples of your household things, such as milk, some other juices, fruits and vegetable juices, by using universal indicator and pH paper. Not only this, you may test your body fluid also. What is the pH of your body fluid, such as sweat, blood, saliva, urine, etc. So pH will indicates the acidic and basic character of samples. Thank you.